My name is Amy Cran. I am a fourth-year anthropology major. So this summer I'm working on my honors thesis with Sage Clan. They're a local outreach organization, a grassroots organization that supports people experiencing homelessness and addiction in our city. My role basically is that I'm doing participant observation of their kind of day-to-day operations. So going out on patrol with them and seeing what they're all about, and broadly how what they do compares to other organizations and treatment philosophies in Lethbridge, but also in particular how Blackfoot ways of knowing may be incorporated into their approach. But I've always been really interested in working with people that are experiencing addiction and homelessness and finding different ways to help out in the community that way. And actually through my previous employer, I heard a lot about Sage Clan from clients directly, and I heard a lot of really positive things. And I could tell there's a lot of respect and love in that relationship. So in terms of my degree, it's been really helpful to actually go out and conduct real field work. We talk about it a lot in the classroom, obviously, and talk to our professors about their experiences. But there's a big difference between doing that and actually going out in the field and doing it yourself. I enjoy going out and meeting people in the community, feeling like I'm getting to help people and actually make a difference in a really practical sense, but maybe hopefully in a broad sense, depending on where the research takes me, if I'm able to kind of help get the word out in any way about this organization. I started an independent study in my second year of university, and I had a lot of hesitation around it. I was really worried about how it would affect my GPA, if I would be any good at it, those kinds of things. And that almost stopped me from wanting to pursue it at all, but I just kind of went for it. And I got a lot of support from my supervisor throughout the process and realized that I actually really love doing research. And through doing that, it opened up so many doors for me throughout university and different opportunities that I don't think I would have taken if I hadn't made that first step. I would just like to say thank you very much to my supervisor, to all my professors and all the different folks that have helped me in the anthropology department and in the community bridge lab. My peers that have been super helpful with this, and also a shout out to Sage Clan, of course, and all the great work that they're doing. They're really an organization that the community should be supporting and be looking out for. So.